Hi Capricorn, in this video we will going to see your month prediction. So, what you don't see coming, my dear Capricorn. So, let's see the energy first. So, my dear Capricorn. Meron tayo dito Magician, my loves, very powerful. Magician upright. And, the Four of Wands in reverse. Okay, and Ace of Cups upright. So dito my loves, I hear na yes, my dear Capricorn are very, sabihin natin, hardworking when it comes to their goals. So dito, like this Magician, my loves, nandun yung manifestations mo. Pero dito, my loves, nagkaroon ng conflict. Pwede yung nagkakaroon ng conflict right now or this previous month because parang dito kasi sa Four of Wands natin, nagkakaroon ka, parang nararamdaman mo na kahit anong pagtsatsaga mo, hard work mo, is walang sumusuporta sa'yo. So, bakit ganun yung nararamdaman mo? You're feeling unwelcome right now. So, in this month, my loves, what you don't see coming is the new material offer. Pwede din, my loves, na magkaroon ng new promotion and pwede ding new job. So, nabanggit ko nga kanina, you feel unwelcome, very conflict when it comes to others or conflict in life, my loves. So, parang, alam mo yung driven ka pero feeling mo walang nakakaintindi sa'yo, walang sumusuporta sa'yo, my loves. So, my loves, dito sa Magician, my loves, you are very committed when you for turning your visions into reality. You are very committed when it comes to your goal, pero parang even your family, even your friends, parang alam mo yun, parang wala kang suporta na nararamdaman. Parang feeling mo hindi aligned, lahat ng mga pinaplano mong to, lahat ng desire mong to, parang hindi nila na-appreciate. So dito, my loves, meron ditong living, okay? Dito kasi, my loves, I hear na pwede, my loves, na magkaroon ka na ng new stability and power. Pwede, my loves, na itong manifestation with this Magician card na ay magkaroon ng panibagong offer. Look at the Age of Pentacles, my loves, another opportunity. So, pwede, my loves, na kung meron kang pinagdidesisyonan, halimbawa na lang ha, for resignation or for, sabihin natin, paglipat ng bahay, my loves, pwede ito yung month na to, yung parang time para i-pursue. Opo, kasi dito, my loves, parang feel mo na parang gusto mo na lang magpakalayo kasi parang wala namang wala namang sumusuporta sa'yo, nakaka-appreciate, my loves. So, parang napaka-unstable ng iyong kalagayan dito sa present na ginagalawan mo, my loves. So, dito, syempre, pag may umaalis, may bagong opportunity na dumadating. So, the new manifestation, pwedeng mabuo mo yan by forms of another job, another company, another family, another circle of friends. So, my loves, dito, maybe you don't see it coming because napakabilis. Pwede, my loves, na matagal mo na nafe-feel na you are unwelcome, you feel lack of support from your family or yung mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, and now this month pwedeng ma-realize mo na what if i-receive ko na o tanggapin ko na yung new opportunity para sa akin. Okay? Pwede din, my loves, na meron na talagang ino-offer sa'yo pero hindi mo pa yun ina-accept because of this, parang kumbaga yung foundation mo, my loves, parang i-consider mo pa sila. Pwede ito yung sign this month na iniintay mo na parang tatanggapin ko na or aalis na ako. Okay? Let's see more confirmation and clarifiers for you, my dear Capricorn. Okay. Do you know that these hearts, okay, so these hearts, wards of every pain, endless delight, all lovers will gain, my loves. So, kung ano man yung mga loneliness na nafe-feel mo right now or in the previous months, my loves. So, dito I hear na meron din healing, heart healing, my loves, from heartbreak or kung ano man yung mga naka-offend sa'yo, my loves. When the friendly moon, so meron tayong heart dito, meron tayong moon dito, and meron tayong garden dito, my loves. So with this moon, with the moon card, my loves. When the friendly moon shines down at you from near upon your shores, he is announcing a nicer career, glory, and honor are to be yours, my loves. So very positive, my loves, when it comes to this month. And who stands near to this garden, good company will take. My loves, I hear na magkakaroon ka nga ng panibago dito, panibagong company, panibagong family, friends, panibagong circle, my loves, because of this garden. Good company will make. Who stands far away is a dangerous turn. Their friendship will take. So my loves, dito siya nakadikit. So ibig sabihin, mas favorable, my loves, sa Pentacles itong garden na to. And dito, my loves, I hear na lahat ng, sabihin natin, nicer career from this lack of stability and unwelcome support, my loves. I hear na, yun nga, mailalayo ka na din dito. Because ito parang malaki talaga focus ng energy mo is about the career, about doon sa support system mo, my loves. Pwede, my loves, na yung mga taong pinapahalaga mo, sila ang dahilan kung bakit nandiyan ka sa career na yan. At right now, this month, pwede, my loves, yung hindi mo inaasahang darating sa'yo is pipiliin mo na yung decision mo, sarili mo, na i-consider mo yung sarili mo, because this unwelcome feeling. Okay, so let's see more clarifiers for my dear Capricorn. Yes, my loves, for you. So luck is on your side. Double confirmation, my loves, with this and this, my loves. Luck is on your side. Kumbaga, ito nga, kung sa circle, family, ay parang feeling mo hindi ka sinwerte, my loves. Sa career, my loves, may swerte ka. Dahil nandito na nga Ace of Pentacles, andito pa yung lucky bug, my loves. So, kumbaga, kaya mo mag-flourish. And siguro ang kailangan mo nalang tanggapin, my loves, and by means of this reading is tanggapin na hindi mo talaga kailangan ng support system. Kasi, as Magician card, my loves, lahat kaya mong gawin. Pero medyo parang ang hirap tanggapin na iyon yung weakness mo, your support system na hindi mo nararamdaman right now. So this month, my loves, focus ng iyong or highlight ng iyong reading as very favorable with this luck and with this honeymoon, my loves. Pwede din, my loves, na merong maganda or merong significant na mangyayari, very significant na mangyayari. Pag meron ka na-attenda na wedding, my loves, this month, pwede may magandang mangyari doon. Pwede din na may makatakpo ka doon sa na taong magiging support system mo. So, I also hear in this honeymoon phase, my loves, pwede din, my loves, na maipaproject mo din ngayong month kung gaano ka ka-successful and blessed sa iyong career. Parang kumbaga maipagmamalaki mo, my loves, yung mga achievement mo this month. Pwedeng maging highlight yun, my loves. And doon mo pwedeng ma-discover, my loves, yung mga unwelcome na parang pagtingin sa'yo. Doon mo marirealize, my loves, yung mga hindi nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. Commitment, my loves. So, pwede nga, my loves, dito, things are getting serious. Okay, so my loves, luck is on your side, and then meron tayo dito na full na commitment, my loves. Pwede din ito ay may kinalaman din sa love life with this honeymoon card. Pero dito, my loves, since na ito ay nakalapit sa garden, my loves, I hear the commitment card is kung wala ka pang person na parang mapagkakatiwalaan mo as their, sabihin nating, partner or their support system, my loves, pwede na maging blessings mo this month is yung mga taong pwede mong pagkatiwalaan as support system. Because dito, my loves, sa garden natin na nakapagitna sa ating Ace of Cups, ay Ace of Pentacles and commitment card. So dito, my loves, I hear na there's a good company will make. So I hear dito, mas stable, mas kumbaga worth to invest yung energy sa mga panibagong opportunity, sabi mga new, sa lahat ng new na nabanggit natin kanina, new manifestation. So dito parang mas stable, my loves, yung iyong mamamanifest this month. Okay. Let's see. So, doon sa yes, my loves, pwedeng nasagot or magiging answered prayer na yung month na to para sa'yo. And with this man, my loves, I hear the most of our Capricorn that watching this is a male figure. Pwede din na my loves na there's a significance, sabihin natin about a man. My loves, if you are broken-hearted right now, if you're a man or sabihin natin broken or hearted because of man, my loves, I hear na, kumbaga, magkakaroon ka din ng luck. Pwede magkaroon ka din ng miracles about this healing, my loves. The masculine energy. Ooh, another masculine figure, the bouquet, my loves, reward, pleasure, flattery, my loves. Yung honeymoon, my loves, ano din yan. Kumbaga, this strong confirmation for the pleasure and reward. Kumbaga, ma-harvest mo talaga, my loves, yung pinaghanapan mo, ma-show off mo yan, my loves, with the moon card. Pero, my loves, pwede din dito, merong sa'yo, project ng kanilang feelings. Pwede may mag-project ng kanilang feelings dyan, my loves. Okay, with the bouquet card, my loves. Pwede din ikaw ay mabigyan ng bouquet of flowers. And ang daming fire energy. Okay, so dito conviction, suffering, and burden with a cross. So, my loves, I hear dito, pwede nga talaga, magkaroon ka din ng konting, sabihin natin, disappointment with this circle of friends, families, my loves, na, okay, so Capricorn confirmation na eto. So, pwede my loves na, pwede din ito is workplace. So, kung ano man yung suffering na parang mararamdaman mo, disappointment na mararamdaman mo, my love, sa yung company, sa yung pinagtatrabahuan, career, and sabihin nating family or friends, I hear dito, my loves, na, kumbaga, burden sila sa iyo eh. Yan ang isipin mo, my loves. Yes, ma-offend ka, pwede ma-offend ka na after all, dito sa reward ng lahat ng paghihirap mo, my loves, lilitaw yung mga taong, kumbaga, magkokos sa'yo ng suffering. Parang pwedeng, my loves, one of your blessing is ma-discover mo kung sino sila. Yung nagkokos sa'yo, yung totoo palang nagpapahirap sa'yo sa kalagayan mo. Okay, so ngayon, bukod dito sa yes na to, ano pa yung question mo kay spirits? What is your biggest question? And ito ang sagot sa'yo ni spirits. What is your biggest question for this month? At ito ang sagot sa'yo ni spirits. Be assertive, my loves. So, direct communication can reduce conflicts. So, my loves, dito, maging honest ka lang. If ever na maka-encounter ka, or ma-encounter mo yung mga taong to, my loves, be more assertive. So, kumbaga, maging honest ka sa kanila, gamitin mo yung iyong intuition, my loves, and sabihin natin na, iwasan mo din ma-hurt sila. Kumbaga, kahit na-hurt ka nila, kahit na na-discover mo kung sino sila, my loves, na kumbaga nagkukos sa'yo ng suffering habang ikaw naman na ay nag-gain ng iyong rewards. So, my loves, kumbaga makipag-communicate ka lang, communicate clearly. Okay, be honest with them, be honest with yourself, be honest sa iyong angels and guides kung ano talaga yung iyong manifestations na gusto talagang ma-manifest with this magician card, okay? Pero clearly, my loves, there's something good with your career, with your love life, my loves, and answered prayer. One of your wishes will coming true in this month, okay? That's all for this. For you, Capricorn, thank you so much and see you in my next one. Hi, my loves, my dear Virgo. Welcome back to my channel. This is your monthly reading and we will going to find out what you don't see coming, okay? So for this month, let's see the energy first. For my Virgo. Okay, so reverse. May reverse card tayo with the Eight of Pentacles. Upright with the King of Wands, and with the Death card in reverse. Okay, my loves. So, dito, pwede currently, bago pumatak itong month na to, my loves, you are lack of focus. So, parang kumbaga, parang kulang ka sa motivation para i-pursue ang mga bagay-bagay, my loves. So, kumbaga, parang wala kang gana doon sa mga sinimulan mo na goals, my loves. So, dito pwede na nagkukos yan sa'yo ng low skills kasi nawalan ka ng motivation. Parang hindi ka na motivate na pagbutihan ang iyong pagtatrabaho. Or pwede din yung iyong dinedesire or goal. Pwede na out of focus ka sa yung goals, kung ano talaga yung gusto mong mangyari this year. So, kumbaga, parang na-neglect mo, my loves. I also hear na-neglect mo yung iyong vision board, my loves. Yung mga parang, kumbaga, yung sinimulan mong vision and goals before is parang hindi mo na siya na haharap. Hindi mo siya natapos. May ganun, my loves. So, my loves, I hear most of our Virgos are natural born leader. So, kumbaga, may pagka-daring kayo eh. So, meron kang pwede, my loves, na meron kang gusto talaga i-startup business, my loves. Pwede, my loves, na ang dami mong idea, pero dito parang wala kang motivation na gawin yun. So, I hear, my loves, na parang ando ka sa inner purging mo eh. Nasa stagnation ka. Okay, nasa stagnation ka, my loves. But ayun nga, pinaalala ko yung vision board mo, my loves. Pwedeng nane-neglect mo yun. Meron decay na parang sumisira doon sa yung eagerness na ipagpatuloy kung ano man yung iyong nasimulan. So, meron ditong negative patterns, my loves. I-address mo yon. So, pwede, my loves, na ang hindi mo nakikitang dumating this month is yung, kumbaga, pagbabago when it comes to your negative patterns. Pwede, my loves, na ma-discover mo na iyan ay nakakasama sa'yo, yung mga ginagawa mo na yan. So, let's see more clarifier about this energy. For my Virgo. Okay. Meron tayo ditong Fox. Meron tayo ditong Storks. And meron tayong Gentleman. Okay, so dito sa Fox, my loves, be cautious. So dito, meron dito, kasi imagine yung Foxy energy, my loves, yung para bang napaka-sneaky ng energy, my loves. The Fox, cunning and crafty, says, cautious you must be. Do not go carelessly. Trust whomever is in your vicinity. Do not trust so carelessly. Do not carelessly trust whomever is in your vicinity because of this Fox energy. Very sneaky, my loves. So, pwede ito, you are, sabihin nating, na surrounded by sneaky energy, my loves, na parang lagi kang minomonitor kung ano na yung mga na-achieve mo sa life mo, my loves. Pwede, my loves, na alam nila na delay ka. Alam nila na parang, kumbaga, lack of focus ka and ambition. Pwedeng sila din ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit nawawala ka sa focus or doon sa naging ambition mo or goal mo ngayong taon. As fly as the storks, you will not stay. If near, soon to another place, you'll move away. My loves, dito pwede din, my loves, na pwede, isa sa mga parang hindi mo makikita is yung mga madidiscover mo dito ng mga Foxy energy. And dito sa pag-fly ng stork na to, my loves, pwede, my loves, na mas magigising mo yung pagiging natural born leader mo, my loves, and magigising mo yung power mo kung hindi mo hahayaan, my loves, na ma-project dito sa mga Foxy energy na ikaw ay lack of motivation. So dito, my loves, I hear na meron din aalis. Merong aalis, my loves. Pwede, my loves, na malayo ka dito sa Foxy energy, or pwede ikaw mismo yung lumayo. So dito sa Gentleman, my loves, I hear dito, he brings you joy or make you dream depending on which signs. Oh, okay, my loves, dito with the Death card. Pwede, my loves, lalaki. Kasi with this Gentleman, pwede masculine energy or lalaki, my loves, yung nagiging dahilan talaga ng iyong lungkot. Kasi dito, yung stagnation na to, my loves, dun siya dun nakadikit, my loves, yung ating Gentleman. So, ibig sabihin, dream yung pwede niyang idulot sa'yo. Okay? So, depending on which signs, good or bad, he has surrounding him. So, kumbaga dito, yung joy, yung counterpart ng joy is yung grief or sadness, my loves. So, pwede my loves talaga na ang nag-iimpluwensya sa'yo ng iyong stagnation is lalaki. Pwede lalaking kaibigan, partner, or yung lalaki sa buhay mo. So, dito, pwede pinipigilan ka niya na magbago, inability to change. Pwede siya din ang nagiging dahilan kung bakit ka stuck right now. So, again, gisingin mo, my loves, yung power mo. Kung lalayo ka dito sa tinutukoy natin gentleman na to, my loves, pwedeng maggising mo yung boldness and yung predict mo na or makikita mo na in your vision, your big picture na dati mo nang nakita before. Okay, so let's see more clarifier about this energy. Liar, my loves. So dito, be careful of someone sneaky, very significant with this liar card at very significant with this foxy energy, my loves, diba? Someone is sneaky. Meron talaga, my loves, na parang napapaligbutan ka ng taong hinihila ka or ini-stuck ka kung nasaan ka man ngayon. Pwede, my loves, you don't see coming is madiscover mo kung sino yun, and what your blessing is, my loves, makalayo ka sa kanya. Pwede, my loves, ayan, confession. With this confession card, something has to tell you. Someone has to tell you something. My loves, about this liar, pwede talaga isa din sa blessing mo ay madiscover mo ang mga sikreto or yung mga sabihin natin lies na nakapalibot sa'yo. So date night, my loves, pwede meron ka madiscover sa mga, ayan nga, through date night. Pwede din, may loves, na idinedate ka ng taong to. Pwede, may loves, na lagi mo tong kasama. That's why nai-stuck ka nai-stuck ka at sabihin natin stagnation sa pag-achieve ng yung goal, my loves. Pwede talaga may kinalaman to doon sa tao na yun. And be ready, my loves, if ever na meron ka madidiscover talaga about this person. Let's see more clarifier. So, kumbaga, pwede may mabalitaan ka about them. Pwede sila mismo ang mag-confess. Pero dito, my loves, pwede din isa sa mga blessing mo is meron kang makausap, makadate with this gentleman. Pero kasi katabi kasi siya ng resistance to change. Pwede ito talagang namimit mo or yung mamit mo, my loves. This is a reminder, my loves, sa'yo na hindi siya makakatulong sa'yo, sa yung goal. Pwede, my loves, na ma-stuck ka diyan sa yung lack of motivation. Okay, so eto, what you don't see coming, my loves, is energy. Pwede, my loves, talaga na magkaroon ko ulit ng panibagong energy and motivation with this night. So they are into action, my loves. So kumbaga, kung dati parang stuck ka, kasi itong 8 of Pentacles natin, napaka hardworking yan and sobrang focus, pero kasi naka-reverse siya. So, naka-reverse your, my loves, pwede talaga na parang stuck ka. Wala kang desire na, parang hindi, eto, pwede din, my loves, mula nung nakilala mo yung taong to, na stuck ka na. Pwede, my loves, na hindi mo maipagpatuloy kung ano man yung goal mo. Para bang feeling mo, imagination mo na lang yung minsan mo naging goal. Kasi parang na-stuck ka na dito. Pero dito, my loves, another energy ang darating sa'yo. Another motivation, my loves. Another action. Kumbaga dito, more courageous action and more hope for your journey this month. So, I also hear na dito din is magkakaroon ka ng chance na mamili. Okay? The crossroad card. Dadating ka din sa point na kailangan mong ng pagdesisyonan this month ang mga bagay na kailangan ay pinagdesisyonan muna noon pa. So, pwede yan ay opportunity mo rin para magbago ang takbo ng yung energy, my loves. My loves, another confirmation, the power card with this bear. So, leadership, my loves, you are calling, okay? Spirits are telling you na talagang gisingin mo yung power within you. You have your control, my love. So, be more optimistic. And kung ano man ang tanong mo, what is your biggest question? Narito ang sagot sa iyo ni Spirits. It's a no. It's a no, my loves. So my loves, pwede ang blessing mo talaga is this reading na kumbaga binigyan ka ng reminder, my loves, if ever na parang mawala ka na naman or sabihin natin na hindi mo maipagpatuloy, my loves, you still have time para tuparin kung ano man yung mga goal mo this year, my loves. But kung ano man ang question mo, your biggest question and the answer for this month is a no. Okay, and that's all for you, my dear Virgo. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.